It's basically just liposuction to shape around the bum, and you inject a little bit to round it out a little bit. But the biggest part of the BBL is not even the fat injection. It's kind of the framing of the butt. So like to liposuction around to give like a good frame.
Yeah.
And then the injection's kind of like the cherry on top of the bum.
It's a fat butt augmentation.
It's a fat butt.
And also used to be extremely dangerous, but now it's a lot safer. When I first came into practice, it was like the BBL controversy.
Yeah, I remember when I first started doing them, I would be like, "Oh my God, they're so crazy, so dangerous."
Yeah, and what was it like for you? You know, at some point, BBLs were quoted as not only the most dangerous plastic surgery procedure, but I think maybe one of the more lethal procedures. It was like some crazy statistics.
Yeah, it was
the
only plastic surgery that had like a significant mortality.
Yeah.
And the reason that was happening is because, just to explain it, is because people would inject in all layers of the bum really deep. And really deep, there's these blood vessels that are there. And if you inject fat into them, they get into your bloodstream, it goes into your brain, goes into your lungs, that'll kill you. But now people don't inject there. They kind of just inject on the surface. So it's just as safe as any other plastic surgery procedure. Yeah. How did you start doing them?
It's interesting. I when I was in training, I was like, I don't want to do BBLs. It's just, I'm too risk averse. I want to avoid it. And then I learned how to do it as an awake procedure, and that actually got me...
Made it less scary.
Way safer. Well, because when patients, it's like when patients general anesthesia, the blood vessels dilate, and their muscles go limp, and so there's a much higher risk of injecting fat into places where it shouldn't go.
Yeah.
But when a patient's awake, their muscle tone is still there, the blood vessels don't dilate, so I think it's a lot
everything
safer.
you're doing awake just seems less scary for some reason.